Ladies and gentlemen, my video will help you to remove the online scam which comes from the random website. This scam is a pop-up that claims to be Windows Defender security warning or Windows Defender security notification. But this information is totally faulty that is displayed by all such pop-ups. In reality, they are not related to Windows or Microsoft. This pop-up also quotes this fake Microsoft Windows Helpline number 888-241-5785. Please be careful, do not interact with multiple pop-ups like that. Don't call this fake number, don't tolerate these pop-ups. Such pop-ups may be the result of certain adware on your computer, so I would recommend you to carefully research the control panel and uninstall any programs which could be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend investigating your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching your system to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.